Hello and welcome everyone. As you all know that today is what is today? Today is Thursday and it's currently around 10 a.m. morning here in India. So as of now, as I already told you today, yesterday that the Indian market is down by 200 points and little bit of gaining that we have shown on all the index in the Indian market. But today, as of the most of the investors and the traders that are saying that the market will regain the process and will start moving on the bull side, but nothing will happen like that. As I show you that the market is down, you know, as I am seeing the tracking the market live. So the market is still down by 50 points. It's not down by much more like the it will happen with the 2 or 3 days before, like what is going on with the 6 months. It's not down by 200 and 5 or 600 points. It's only down by the 50 points. So it's not a big deal. It will recover anytime very soon. Okay. Now the big thing is that I am from here in this very remote village, and as you can see that this is the very dense forest. Now what I want to tell you that what we will do with this dense forest. So this soil. This is not just a soil. This is a sandy soil. According to me, nothing will grow here on these soils. If I move along with this, if I move, just a little bit with the 2 or 3 steps that you can show that the crops are growing. But here on these specific field, these are middle of all this field, nothing will grow here. For God's sake, man, nothing will grow here. So what I want to say with the local government, that you see, what is my plan? We can do that. We will cut all the trees. Don't say this the local farmers and the local villagemen that this is going to do as a businessman. So we just cut all the trees and make all these places converted into a gigafactory, mega factory, and employ lots of the youth student, lot of the youth workers who willing to work. We don't want a person who don't want to go anywhere and work. So we just simply stop the migration, and we will provide them employment with the 10 or 15,000 rupees per month. So we will provide the employment out there, and this is my basic point which I want to do with that. We will come with me. So we will just cut all this and clear everything, and we will convert these places into a gigafactory. And yes, this is a very big place. I mean, it's going to be a very dense. It's going to be a very mega plan if I executed this. And this is not actually remote places. If I go, as I told you that I can't show you with the zoom with the camera, but I can tell you, I show you that the railway connectivity and the roads connectivity are just a few miles from here. You see? And yes, I feel a little bit of disappointment. This is a very peaceful place. But what we can do? But there is no places out there. So everyone, the places around this corner is, the crops are growing there. So we can't cut all the crops and build, So this is the only place where I can, actually execute all my plans. So this is the place, and we will do it one day. But make sure don't tell this with the local villagemen and the farmers. If anyone can understand, it will going to be a problem for me. So don't do this. We can do it on a quiz manner.